what's left of the front entryway. Turn right into the front room. And there's the front window in the driveway. And come down the hallway. Daylight. Bathroom's not terrible. Back towards the entryway. This Grandpa's room. His bathroom. Here's the spare room where we used to sleep when we stayed over. There's nothing in here. Where the phone used to be, and little curio shelf. Here is Graham's room. The hole that was there. And here's where she was when the tornado went through. In the closet. Luckily there was clothes and pillows and a lot of stuff to protect her. And come back down the hallway. And this is the front room. The family room. There's the backyard and the neighbor's house. There's the kitchen. Dining room table used to be right there. And there's the garage.